Hi, I'm Mel Pickup, Chief Executive of Bradford Teaching Hospitals, and welcome to this week's update, the second in our special series for July, celebrating 75 years of the NHS. Today we'll focus on our place, hearing about the advancements the Trust has made to date, as well as its plans for the next 75 years. We'll hear from Dr. Ray Smith, Chief Medical Officer, about the wealth of innovative practice here at the Trust, as well as Tom Lawton, Head of Clinical Artificial Intelligence, and Tabitha Garner, Consultant Urologist and Robotic Surgeon, about the groundbreaking plans for the future aimed at improving the care of our patients.
Reaching 75 is a milestone in any lifetime, but for the NHS it marks 7 decades of groundbreaking advancements that have transformed healthcare. That same spirit of innovation is a golden thread driving our local NHS forward and ensuring its future for the next 75 years. As the NHS rose to meet the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, we again saw the power of innovation and technology which allowed patients to get help remotely. And today we're delivering robotic surgery in our city, looking at the possibilities of artificial intelligence in improving healthcare and developing a virtual hospital.
We have had a state-of-the-art robot for about 12 years now. You can now use very small incisions, which means less scarring, less pain. Old-fashioned colorectal surgery required 2 weeks to recover from a procedure. With advanced keyhole surgery in the form of robotic surgery, we are seeing discharges from hospital as early as 2 to 3 days after the procedure.
I was a computer programmer while I was at medical school with an interest in data and the work at the BIHR. I've obviously had the opportunity to see how AI technologies have developed. But actually bringing that artificial intelligence into a real healthcare setting can have a lot of effects that you might not have anticipated. The amount of information available to a clinician on a busy ward round is just immense. What we know AI is very good at is that always-on pattern recognition, spotting things. So if you had an AI that's capable of keeping an eye across the sort of whole spectrum of information available to it, it's saving them time digging through huge amounts of information.
The surgeon's able to sit here and control the robots using these controls from here. We're able to visualize what we're doing and perform the procedure while sitting down. In the future, I would like to see tactile feedback being embedded with the robots. Large invading cancers, for example, within bowel surgery, you often require a sense of touch, and I would like to see that embedded in the robot in the future.
AI is very bad at dealing with new situations. One of the classic examples was a paper where they took x-rays of people with and without COVID. They then showed the AI system a picture of a cat. It said, yep, that's COVID, 100%, definitely COVID. And that's the real concern. If you start using an AI system outside the parameters for which it was designed, it can start behaving unpredictably. So the challenge is to try and find the skills that the AI can be used in.
I think there will be advancements that are possible within really small instruments that go in small incisions. The single incision port site surgery is already available in some countries such as America, and we might begin to see that here as well.
One of the big growth areas I would say is around radiology. AI is looking at x-rays, looking at scans in radiology, and to the point of drawing a circle around something and saying, hey, have you seen this? It's something that might be relevant to you. Things like ChatGPT have made conversational AI seem much, much closer. You have people who don't speak English, but if you've got an AI that can have a conversation with you over the phone, then suddenly things are a lot more open. I mean, AI does genuinely have the potential to transform the NHS.
There's so much innovative practice in what we do at Bradford that we often forget just how far we and the whole NHS has come. Innovation will increasingly be essential in overcoming the challenges we face to deliver high quality care sustainably. Developing the healthcare professionals of the future and partners to the world-leading Bradford Institute for Health Research, we have a bright and healthy future. I'm very proud to be Chief Medical Officer of a trust that consistently pushes itself to improve the care we give to our patients. Human compassion and kindness work well together with new technology and innovation. That's what we do in Bradford. It's who we are. Happy birthday, NHS.